will discuss about combinational circuits. These are made up of different types of logic gates. The output of combinational circuit depends on the values at the input at any given time. The circuits do not make use of any memory or storage devices. Okay, now we'll see minterms. What is a minterm? A minterm of n variables is a product of n literals. Here the literal is a variable or its complement. You can take a variable or a or its complement a bar. It appears exactly once in either true or complemented form but not both. That means either will get a or a bar but not both at a time. Same as max term. Max term of n variables is a sum of n literals. This is product of n literals and here it is sum of n literals, in which each variable appears exactly once in either again true or its complementary form but not both. Now we'll see how to represent this using three variables. Okay, the variables we are taking a, b, c, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the minterm representation, here these are represented as with small letter m. So first 0 is represented as m naught and this is written as 0 means low, so inverted value a bar. Same as b bar, c bar. Next m1 is represented as a bar, b bar, c. m2 a bar, b, c bar. m3 a bar, b, c. m4 a, b bar, c bar. Because a value is 1, so no need to invert. B and C are zeros, so inverted values a bar, c bar. M5 that is a, b bar, c. M6 is written as a, b, c bar. M7 is written as a, b, c. Same as it is, the max terms are represented with capital M, okay, and M naught is written as a, but here this 0 is negative logic, so it is written as a instead of a bar and using or symbol. Here this means here and symbol, okay, dot, and here or symbol a plus b plus c. Same as all the values were written a plus b plus c bar. M2 is equal to a plus b bar plus c. M3 is written as a plus b bar plus c bar. M4 is written as a bar plus b plus c. M5 is written as a bar plus b plus c bar. M6 is written as a bar plus b bar plus c, and M7 is written as a bar plus b bar plus c bar. This is how to represent max terms and min terms. Now coming to SOP, that is sum of products. That is min term expansion. We call it as min term expansion or sum of products or sum of products. That is a Boolean equation, that is logical sum of logical products. This is the logical sum of logical products is the sum of products. That means the expression, that is the equation, applies and or circuit. And or circuit. Same as coming to POS. This is max term expansion or this is said to be product of sums. Okay. This is logical products of logical sums. Logical product of logical sums. And this equation applies or and circuit. Okay. Now we'll see the circuit. Combinational circuit. Here considering three inputs A, B, C and the function f is the combinational circuit. These functions were represented as y is equal to small f of a comma b comma c is equal to, if suppose this equation or expression is SOP, it is represented with summation sum of small letter m and the terms. Z 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. That means for this terms the output will be high and for remaining 0. Same this can be written in terms of POS, that is pi of capital M, max terms capital M, and what are all the remaining terms here, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, this is how to write the SOP and POS.